Hey, how you doing? So pretty much this is the land. So they want to have three apartments on the bottom floor. So I took this layout from another project just to give you an example of what they want. Um, so pretty much you see this in this area is a buildable area because the front should have needs to have a setback of 5 meters and the sides 2.5. So I want to be able to utilize parking in the front, and also maybe they could drive on the side and park on the back. Um, so you see, I still have a lot of space. I don't know, I could bring this where the stairs are, or maybe you find a better way to put the stairs, but uh, like making them more wide by maybe putting like a wall here, and then it could become a little wider. Um, also, I have some space this way. Maybe I could get 2 bedrooms. If not, then we leave it at the one. So let me know. I'm going to send you the parking regulations. So that's how much parking needs to happen. So let me know.